Hey guys, and welcome to Zonos Crypto. In this video we will take a look at the latest news about the Ethereum merge, what Cathie Wood, Russia gears up to regulate NFTs, and also many more. Okay, let's get into the market watch. Bitcoin is coming in at 21,500, Ethereum almost at 1,500, BNB 258, XRP 33 cents, Cardano 47 cents, Solana $37, Polkadot at $6.8 and Polygon at 80 cents. The largest movers in the 24 hours are Lido with 20% gain, Ethereum Classic with 13%, 13.82%, Quant with 10% and Polygon with 10%. The largest losers are no one. And then in the last 7 days, the largest gainers are Quantum with 12%, Trust Wallet with 11%, Bitcoin Gold with 8.7%, Ethereum Classic with 6.35%. And the largest losers are AMP with 20%, Loopring with 20%, Compound with 19%, Gala with 19%, and also Waves with 19%. A lot of have lost 19%. Okay, before we start, please leave a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be informed daily about the newest crypto news. Now let's get right into it. Ethereum roadmap. Vitalik Buterin updates community. The Ethereum founder addressed the upcoming Ethereum merge and talked about all the other network upgrades that would follow the merge at a conference on Wednesday. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin spoke at length about the next steps in the Ethereum network roadmap, including the merge, the surge, the verge, the purge, and the splurge. The merge, which refers to the completion of the Ethereum mainnet merging with the beacon chain proof-of-stake consensus, is the first big upgrade in the roadmap. In fact, both Vitalik and Ethereum's core developers have set a September of 2022 deadline for the upgrade. Ethereum today can process about 15 to 20 transactions a second. This Ethereum, including the rollups, including the sharding, it's going to be able to process 100,000 transactions a second, which also means that right now, after merge, this will not be possible. It will take some time until this can fully play out. Vitalik also said, with an SSLE, you're not going to be able to tell who is going to create the next block until they actually release the block, which is really amazing. It gives us a really nice security property. So what is the merge? As mentioned above, the merge is a term of crypto slang, if you will, that's used to describe the transition of Ethereum from a proof of work consensus algorithm to one that uses proof of stake. The merge represents the joining of the existing execution layer of Ethereum, the mainnet we use today, with its new proof-of-stake consensus layer, the beacon chain. As you can see here, the proof-of-work chain Ethereum is still working, the beacon chain is getting launched, then they are both getting synthesized, and then the merge is happening, and now the beacon chain is the new Ethereum chain, including, over long term, the sharding. The beacon chain is secured by a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, unlike Ethereum's mainnet, which still runs on proof-of-work. It was created on December 1st, 2020. Put in simple words, the beacon chain has so far worked as a de facto testnet for Ethereum 2.0, but all that is about to change with the merge. This carries some significant implications, which means, and also the great things which will happen, is that no history will be lost, the funds are safe, and no more mining of ETH. So now to the 5 stages. What are they? The merge, this is the hereby discussed transition from proof of work to proof of stake following the merge of Ethereum's current mainnet with the beacon chain. The surge, this is the phase that will bring sharding to the protocol. It's a scaling solution that would break the network into separate partitions called shards, designed to spread the computational load on the mainnet. The verge, this phase refers to the introduction of the so-called Merkle trees. It involves an upgrade to Merkle proofs and is intended to optimize data storage for Ethereum nodes. The purge, similarly, this upgrade also concerns data storage for validators, and it will reduce hard drive space that's required for the validators streamlining network congestion. And the splurge. This is the last upgrade in the pipeline and is intended to deliver a string of miscellaneous updates that are made to ensure the overall smoothness of how the network runs. Okay, ETH2 is one of the biggest, and if not the biggest event which is happening in the 13 crypto years. It will be interesting. Let's see what will happen. Now to Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood sells Coinbase shares amid insider trading allegations. Cathie Wood's investment firm ARK Investment Management is the third largest shareholder of Coinbase, reportedly holding nearly 9 million shares as of late June. One of the largest stockholders of the Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange has dumped a massive amount of shares as regulators reportedly probe the firm for alleged insider trading. Cathie Wood's investment firm ARK Investment Management has sold a total of more than 1.4 million Coinbase shares, according to daily trade information from ARK on July 26th. Now to Russia. Russia gears up to regulate NFTs through legislative amendments. Authorities in Russia are preparing a number of changes to existing laws in order to adopt the rules for the country's market for non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. A working group has discussed the matter and proposed solutions to legally define and regulate transactions with the digital collectibles. During their discussions, the participants provided legal definitions for the digital collectibles and drafted the necessary legislative changes, the crypto news outlet Bits.media reported on Tuesday. The meeting was attended by representatives of the Central Bank of Russia and VKontakte, the leading Russian social media network, which earlier this year announced intentions to introduce support for blockchain and NFTs on its platform. Even Russia is going into the NFT space. Let's see what will happen there over the long term. Crypto traders are split on the upcoming Fed rates hike impact on Bitcoin. The US Central Bank has raised rates by 150 basis points since March, injecting volatility into asset markets. Some analysts expect BTC to stay resilient after Wednesday's expected hike. The US Federal Reserve will likely raise the benchmark borrowing cost by 75 basis points on Wednesday in a continued effort to drain liquidity to tamp down inflation. Crypto traders are split on how Bitcoin would react to the rate hike. Considering that the overall risk level of the crypto market has not returned to a reasonable level, it is very likely that the BTC price will drop by more than 10% after the Fed rate hike, Arden said. So think about it. If we drop 10% from here right now, we are at 21,500, which means we will drop about 2,100, which will put us at about 19,400. If this would happen, accumulate more, it would be a great time. Not financial advice though. And just keep on DCAing. Let's see what will happen in the next few days or the next weeks. Now to the last news. This little known DeFi crypto token has rallied over 800% in a month, while an ongoing technical divergence between bonds price and volume suggests upside exhaustion. A new and relatively unknown DeFi token called Barnbridge Bond has rallied over 800% to reach $20 on July 26th. The bond price surge comes more than a month after bottoming out at around $2.19. In comparison, top coins BTC and ETH have only rebounded by 18% and 54% in the same period respectively. Is it another pump and dump? Barnbridge is a cross-chain risk management protocol that offers a suite of composable DeFi products for investors to hedge against interest rate fluctuations and price volatility. Think about it like this. Some can rally in the bear market, some are bear market proof, like Chainlink in the last bear market. Still, if it's a small cap project, do not invest in it. It could rally for a short time and then dump to zero once again. So take profits if you went in on it. I hope that you took profits and you have gotten a high return or high return, and stick with the great projects, the top 10: BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, Sol, Doge, okay, a meme coin, and this is better and it is a lot safer. Okay, this was the video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in the future anymore. We will see us in the next video. Peace.